Welcome to
Tip Tuesdee.
Two Tips on a Tuesday.
Tips on a Tuesday.
Two Tip Tuesdee.
Two Tip Tuesday. You get two tips.
Tip Tuesdee.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Two Tip Tuesday. I got my smart hat on. Come here. So, from time to time, if you ever have a problem with your drawers being out of square, you know, not your drawers, but your drawer. Time to time that happens. Your drawers get out of square and you got to readjust. You got a wedgie. So when I'm building drawers, I always check to make sure that the drawers are square. And I do that by using my trusty little Pinnacle square. Not a sponsor, because I don't have sponsors. I check it with my little square. And this one happens to be a little out of square. So you flip them upside down like they are now, with the front facing away from you. You take your clamp, and wherever the gap is, here's a gap right here. So this is open and it's not square. You take your clamp, put it on the side with the gap that's open, and you slowly tighten it up. And you can see here we go, watch. Give it a couple turns. It's magic. Now it's square. So you now have a square box. And you could, if you build drawers like I do, you can go ahead and put the screws in the bottom here, and it'll stay square pretty good. If it moves a little bit later on, you can always do the same technique once everything's finished. And put a little hot glue around the edges, and that'll hold it in place nice and square. And that way your drawers will stay square in your box, and you won't have any problems with them, sticking out or doing anything crazy or doing wacky stuff. So there's another tip for Two Tip Tuesday. All right, have an awesome day. We'll see you later. Bye. Hey everybody, Mr. Kevin from HumboldtCraftworks. Welcome to Two Tip Tuesday. So from time to time, I have wood delivered to my shop that I don't pick out. I don't go to the lumber yard. I just call them up and say, hey, can you deliver me this much wood with this width and plane to this thickness and straight line ripped? And they say, sure, not a problem. And they call some guy in the back, and he pulls it out, pulls all the material, rips it, mills it, and they deliver it. And then I get it, and I'm like, cool, I didn't have to go to the lumber yard. Sometimes you get nice straight long boards just like this. And then sometimes you get them a little crooked. This is not bad. This is pretty good, actually. And then sometimes you get something like this. This is very crooked. She is a bit curvy. So what do you do with curvy wood like that? Well, here's where the tip comes in. All right. For all the boards that you get are nice and straight, you make your drawer parts, make these the longest ones. So you don't have to worry about them being all crooked and crazy. The wood that's like this, you make your shortest parts out of. So my shortest parts for these drawers I'm making over here are 17. And I'm going to cut this to like 22, 23 inches. Boom, boom, boom. Cut it up into little pieces. And it'll be much more easier to manage. And that's it. Very simple. The straighter the board, the longer the part. The more curvy the board, the shorter the part. And if you just remember that, and when you get a pile of wood and you get something like this, then you won't get so discouraged and go, oh my God, look what I have to work with, or think you have to go buy another piece of wood. Well, you can use this. It's totally usable. Always order your wood thicker than you need. So my finished dimension for the width of these drawers is going to be 5/8. I ordered this at 11/16. And you should always remember that when you're out buying lumber. Always keep it thicker than you need so you can face joint it and make it flat yourself, because nobody else is going to do it for you. Because look at this. These guys are trained professionals, and look what I get. So there you go. Two Tip Tuesday. Super duper fast and easy. All right, now enjoy the rest of the video. And a word from our sponsor. I don't have any sponsors. If you got an extra million laying around, just send it my way. I can use it. I can build more stuff. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the notification bell. Am I forgetting any? Fling, flang, the bang, bang. Fling, flang, the bang, bang. Yeah, something like that. And then I'll see you next time on Tip Tuesday. Bye. Do this every time, huh? Oh, and it slipped off. Time to time, it just gets confusing. So there you go. That didn't work. Here, I'll do this. Take off my smart hat. Still didn't work.
Tip Tuesday.